video, we'll know about the HTML colors and hexadecimal colors, RGB colors. Colors are very important to give a good look and feel to your website. You can specify color on page level using body tag, or you can set colors for individual tags using BG color attribute. In this, we'll use CSS attributes too, and we have approximately 200 different shades of colors. The body tag has following attributes which can be used to set different colors. BG color sets a color for background of the page. That means the view of the web page will be color according to the user. Text sets a color for the body text. That means the color of the text. A link sets a color for active links or selected links. That means based upon the user necessity, if we click the link, the color of the link will be changed. Link sets a color for linked text. V-link sets a color for visited links, that is for linked text that you have already clicked on it. HTML color coding methods. There are following 3 different methods to set colors in your web page. Color names. You can specify color names directly like green, blue, red, white, etc. Hexadecimal codes. A 6-digit code representing the amount of red, green and blue that makes up a color according to the user need. Color decimal or percentage values. This value is specified using RGB property. That means RGB, red, green, blue. According to the value of the red, green, blue, the color will be selected. HTML colors, color names. You can specify direct a color name to set text or background color. W33 has listed 16 basic color names that will validate with an HTML validator. But there are over 200 different color names supported by major browsers. These 16 colors are W3C's colors, which can be directly specified in the CSS property. Example code for HTML colors. Doctype HTML. HTML document starts body. Here we have taken 5 headings of same size by giving the heading H2 for each heading. And then background color style equals to background color. In the first heading the red we have mentioned, and then in the second heading we have given orange color, and in third heading we have given yellow color. In the fourth heading we have given blue color for background, and the text color will be white. Here in the output we can see, and then cyan. For every heading we have black color text, and for the fourth heading we have white colored text and blue color background. When we execute this program, then we'll get the output as follows. Here you can observe it clearly. HTML color hexadecimal codes. Hexadecimal is a 6-digit representation of a color. The first 2 digits RR represents a red color value, and the next 2 are green color value GG, and the last are the blue value BB. A hexadecimal value can be taken from any graphic software like Adobe Photoshop, PaintShop Pro or MS Paint. Each hexadecimal code will be preceded by a pound or a hash sign. Following is a list of few colors using the hexadecimal notation. You can see there are some colors with the codes. Here there are some color names, hexadecimal values and the color how it appears when a user selects a certain code. Example code for hexadecimal colors. Doctype HTML, body. Here in the body we have taken 3 headings of same size because we have mentioned here H2. We'll get the same font size for every heading. And here in the first heading we have given background color hash ff 4 zeros. So here the color will be red, and in the next one 0 2 zeros ff 0 0. So here we'll be getting green color, and then in the third heading we have given hash 4 zeros double f. So here we'll be getting blue color. In the output you can see clearly that the hexadecimal colors will be giving the color for the text. HTML colors RGB values. This color value is specified using the RGB property. This property takes three values, one for red, green and finally blue. The value can be an integer between 0 and 255 or a percentage. Here are some colors and the RGB values of it. Here we have mentioned black, blue, green, yellow, sky blue, pink, ash and white colors. Here you can see their RGB values. Example code for RGB colors. Doc type HTML. HTML. In the body section we have taken 6 headings of same size by mentioning H2. In the first one RGB value is 255 0 0. That means red value will be 255, green value 0 and B value will be 0. And in the second heading we have taken green, the output will be printed as green, red is 0, green is 255, blue is 0. And in the third heading green and red are 0 and blue is 255. And here in the fourth heading red and green are 255 255 and blue is 0. Then in the output you will see yellow color. And in the fifth one you can see red is 255, green is 0, blue is 255. So we'll be getting pink color in the output. And in the last heading we have given red 0, green and blue as 255. So we'll get cyan color. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.